Hey everyone, today we're diving into an in-depth review of the Microsoft Xbox One X 1TB console with wireless controller. I've had this console for around 5 years now and I can't wait to share my experiences and thoughts with you. If you're considering about buying this gaming console, stick around. Let's jump straight into it. First off, let's take a look at the console itself. So from the front here, the Xbox One has a sleek and minimalist design. The matte black finish gives it a premium look and feel. On the front, we have the power button with a subtle Xbox logo on it that lights up when the console is on. Next to it, there's a disk drive here with an eject button. And then we've got a USB port under the Xbox logo. Alright, I'm going to turn this Xbox around and we're going to have a look at what's on the back of this. Alright, so the back of the console is packed with various ports for connectivity, as you can see. There's a HDMI port here. So I've currently got the HDMI port connected and there's the power button here. And also you got HDMI in right here and you got some more USB ports here with an IR out. And then you got an Ethernet cable here. The IR out is for connecting to a compatible audio and video receiver. An optical audio out for a high-end sound system, and an Ethernet port for a wired internet connection. The power supply in this Xbox is internal, so there's no bulky power bricks to deal with, which is a really nice touch. We know how annoying they can be. Alright, now let's talk why I like the Xbox One X. This console is a powerhouse when it comes to performance. It's equipped with a custom 8-core AMD processor and 12GB of GDDR5 RAM, making it incredibly fast and responsive. The graphic capabilities are stunning thanks to the 6 teraflop GPU. It supports 4K gaming, HDR and Dolby Atmos, which really enhances the overall gaming experiences. One of the standout features for me is the backward compatibility. Being able to play older Xbox 360 and original Xbox games is a huge plus to me. The library of games available is extensive and many of the older titles get performance boosts, making them look even better and play better than ever. Alright, once you're logged in, this is what the home screen will look like. So you can see I'm logged here on here. And you got all your games and previous used apps and games along the bottom. And then you got your settings and the time, etc. on the right hand side. Alright, I'm going to put a game on here called GW2 Plants vs Zombies and I'll let you have a look at the graphics on this machine. Alright, as you can see the graphics look pretty awesome for Xbox One X. I've spent countless hours playing a variety of games on this console, but the game that stands out is this Plant vs Zombies Garden Warfare 2. On Xbox One, this game runs incredibly smoothly, the graphics are vibrant and detailed, and the frame rate is consistently higher, even during intense battles. The load times are also significantly shorter compared to the standard Xbox One, which means more time playing and less time waiting, which is something I value. My experience with this Xbox One has been fantastic. From the moment I set it up 5 years ago, I noticed a significant improvement in performance compared to my previous consoles. The setup process was straightforward and the user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. I used it for gaming, streaming movies, and even as a media hub for my home theater system. It's truly an all-in-one entertainment system. To wrap things up, I highly recommend this Xbox One X 1TB console, whether you're a hardcore gamer looking for top tier performance or someone who enjoys casual gaming and media consumption. This console has something for everyone. The combination of powerful hardware, extensive game library, and excellent multimedia capabilities makes it a great investment still to this day. So after 5 years of use, it's still going strong and I can't imagine my gaming setup without it.